before you look at a chart, all those numbers, all those candles and all that, the first thing you need to look at is you need to have a broad market view. Okay? A broad market what? Broad market view. In other words, you need to learn these two things. How many things? Two things. Sentiment analysis and also intermarket analysis. What is a macro view? Meaning you are looking at what is happening all around the world right now. What is happening all around the world right now? In other words, is there a war, terrorism, natural disaster? Is there oil price surge? Is there public holiday? All this you need to know because all this can affect the forex market. Now, can you give me an idea?
Yes, your entry, your TP stop loss is taken care of, but one of the most important thing that you also need to take care of is your lot size. If you're not consistent in your percentage risk per trade, if you're not managing your percentage drawdown, then nothing's gonna change.
If you're willing to do the things that ordinary retail traders are not willing to do, you're going to achieve the results of the 10%. For example, what are those things? Following a trading plan when you feel like breaking it. Writing down onto your trading journal when you have a losing trade, when that's the last thing you want to do.
You know what they say, is it better to learn from your own mistakes or is it better to learn from other people's mistakes? When you buy a course, when you learn from a mentor, you are paying to learn from that person's mistake. Maybe that person has spent the past 10 years putting in blood, sweat and tears, learning things the hard way, losing thousands of dollars, and they share this lesson with you. Hey, you know what? Don't mess up just like me. So then you save a lot of money, you save a lot of time just from learning from other people's mistakes.
Volatility index, or in short, what is it called? Look at VIX. Now, what does VIX tell you? When it is below 20, people are very calm. 20 to 39, people are starting to become scared. When it is more than 40, people are panicking.
When you didn't backtest enough, there's one problem, is that you won't feel confident about your system. And when you're not confident about your system, it's going to ruin your trading psychology, and hence, you're going to start adjusting your stop loss, you're going to start adjusting your TP target once you have opened a trade. And you wouldn't know exactly, okay, what kind of market conditions should I use this indicator? What kind of market conditions should I not use this indicator?
Just now I said, what can you buy during bad times? What can you buy during bad times? Now the good thing about gold price is that if it drops during a recession, it wouldn't drop as much as stock market. Now I give you one more test.
If you're just here because you want to make money and that's all you like, then please hand your money to somebody else, financial advisor or somebody to manage that money for you. Because if you do it yourself, it's not going to end up so well. You're going to do a lot of stupid things. Just don't do it.
Then the next thing you need to know is market sentiment. Meaning you want to know whether people are optimistic or pessimistic. So if you are looking at market sentiment, you need to understand what are low yield and high yield currencies. What are low yield and high yield currencies? Why is that? Because during a risk-on environment, meaning people are taking more risk, capital will flow to high yield currencies. On a risk-off environment, meaning people are not taking risk, they are scared. Okay? Capital will flow to low yield currencies.
Try not to set daily goals, like daily profit goals. Meaning, for example, today I want to earn like $500, today I want to earn $200. Instead, you're gonna set monthly goals, or better yet, yearly goals, so that it keeps you motivated, but at the same time, it doesn't pressure you so much that you need to make profit every single day. Because if you set daily goals like, I must earn $500 today, you're going to feel a lot of pressure. Okay? You're going to feel a lot of pressure to like make money. What if there's no trading signal today? This is going to cause you to break your trading plan and then force some trades that you're not supposed to make.
So for example, if today you bought euro dollar, should you buy or sell one yen? There's no currency there that is 100% positively correlated.